Capturing immersive first-person footage with the DJI Osmo 360 requires comfortable, stable, and secure mounting solutions around the body. In this video, we look at 3 best chest and neck mounts that excel in comfort, adjustability, and filming versatility.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Flysimple mount. The Flysimple mount builds its appeal around magnetic convenience and ease of adjustment. Designed to attach swiftly via a magnetic quick-release interface, it allows the Osmo 360 to remain oriented properly without struggling with clumsy fasteners. With rotation capabilities built into the magnetic base, capturing fluid transitions and adjusting angles mid-action feels effortless, providing an intuitive experience for creators on the move. The combination of practical ergonomics and seamless adaptability positions the Flysimple mount as a first choice for fast-paced, on-the-go filming scenarios where efficiency matters most. On number 2, we have SmallRig mount. SmallRig takes a versatile hybrid approach with a combined neck and chest harness system that emphasizes ergonomic support and shooting stability. Compact, durable, and stylish, this magnetic holder with lanyard is easy to carry and versatile in use. It functions as both a neck mount and chest mount with strong magnetic force that can attach through clothing, backpacks, or directly onto metal surfaces, such as refrigerators. When worn like a necklace on the chest, it allows you to capture immersive first-person perspectives for both filming and video recording, supporting smooth transitions between horizontal and vertical shooting. Equipped with 5 powerful magnets, the design frees your hands and makes it effortless to shoot dynamic POV content. The adjustable lanyard ensures a comfortable fit for different heights, applying no pressure when worn on the neck or chest, making it ideal for extended use during active shooting. On number 3, we have DJI Chest Strap Mount. As a purpose-made accessory from DJI itself, the Chest Strap Mount reflects manufacturing precision and native compatibility with the Osmo 360. The design prioritizes immersive first-person viewpoints by securing the camera at chest level with an adjustable tilt to frame subjects precisely. Built with user wear in mind, the harness balances snug stabilization with comfort during movement. The mount's dimensions and weight are optimized to stay secure without adding unnecessary bulk, delivering a grounded filming experience. Though simpler in design compared to its competitors, the official support and design integration make it a dependable option for consistent FPV capture. So these are some of the best mounts to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.